you want to be a remote worker this 2026, then here are 5 things you need to prepare before you even apply for that first client. Number one is you need a computer or a laptop. If you're someone who loves working outside your house, maybe you love traveling, want to be a digital nomad, okay, then maybe a laptop is better for you because anyways, you can always plug in an extra monitor with that and when you're home, so you have like a complete or a better work setup. But when you're outside, at least you can bring it anywhere you want. But if you're someone who loves working from home and then you just want to focus, then maybe a desktop is the best for you. Number two, what you need is a headphone or a microphone or the combination. Okay, but not all remote workers would really use that. So if I were you, if you can get like a speaker or maybe like a headphones or maybe a separate mic, then that would be fine. It's best to have like a noise canceling mic just to make sure that it filters the unnecessary noise like in your background, because that will make you sound better and sound more professional. Number three is a webcam. Any camera will do, whatever your budget is, as long as they see you whenever you have meetings with your clients. It's important that they see you, so you need a camera. Number four is an internet connection. Okay, you need this, of course, your work is online. You need a reliable internet connection and a backup internet connection just in case you need one. Okay, just in case something happens. Okay, you'll never know. And number five, you need a backup power. So there are already like big power banks you can buy, a mini transformer. I don't know what you call that, but you can buy such. I can just put everything here in the description box for some recommendations, but you can buy these power supply for just in case you need, something happens with your electricity and you need power, you need backup power, at least you have these devices for you. And number six, bonus, you need confidence. Always remember, these freelancers and remote workers who have the best clients are not the best people always. They're just the most confident people in the world. That's why they're able to represent themselves 10 times better than the rest as a brand. They were able to really not just meet but surpass the promises. And that's what makes their clients happy. So confidence is key. Even if you have the best knowledge, but you don't know how to sell yourself, you don't know how to represent yourself with confidence in front of your client, then it's gonna be hard for you. So confidence is number six. Okay? Hope this helps. See you there, 2026. Let's go!